Hello, light there. Welcome to yet another video. Yeah, I'm Becky Shiko. Thank you for joining into this channel. Thank you for subscribing. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much. By the way, we have a lot of people that are watching and have not yet subscribed. Please consider subscribing. The 79% have not yet subscribed, so I have the part of that 20 something that have subscribed percent, but please consider subscribing to the channel. Since you're watching, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We are now at 379 subscriber as I had left it. So thank you so much for those who have decided to subscribe to the channel, going back to view my video, and also leaving for me nice comment there. Thank you so much. Then as I am editing the video right now, I have found that I didn't do the introduction of the video, so that's why I'm just doing this part of introduction. Hope you enjoy the video as you go. And since it's very cold outside here, I have my cup of tea. You'll have something that you enjoy yourself as you enjoy the video. Okay, let us now continue with our cooking. I have my chicken there, which I've already boiled, and I decided to shallow fry it, which was not my idea. My idea was to make a chicken stew, but as I was continuing, I decided I saw it better to shallow fry it, then mixed with the cabbage. Yeah, and the outcome was so good and sweet. The family enjoyed the meal. Thank you so much for always being here. Thank you for subscribing. And please continue the video until the end. That one will be of much help to the channel. I shall be serving the chicken with cabbages and ugali. Please stick around. Let us watch the video. Hope you'll enjoy the outcome. Okay, this is the same day. After taking our dinner, the kids are already in bed. I decided to prepare the school uniform. Yeah, since it was on Monday the next day, I had to make sure that I have everything ready so that we cannot have any problem in the morning as we prepare. So I'm just making sure that I have everything that it's required of them, from the books to the uniforms. Yeah, there I'm just making sure that everything is in order. Later on I'll be ironing them. Yeah, let's stick around and watch.
Do you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. And if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried.
Hope you'll sit with me. Let us now brush the shoes, which will, from here, I'll just go to bed for the next day.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent.
Yeah, hope you're still with me. Now it's the next day in the morning. Just washing my face there to begin the day. From here, I'll head direct to the kitchen, then prepare the breakfast for the children and the father, for them to go to school. Hope you enjoy. Let us stick until the end. With me, as you can see there, I have the 3 eggs, of which I'll only cook for them the 3 eggs. One remains. I have the tomato, onion, and the courgette that I'm grating. That's what I'll be mixing to prepare the egg. Then they shall be taking it with the bread and milk with tea. Yeah, I'm chopping the onion from that counter there. It's clean. I always make it clean when I'm using it. I don't have a chopping board, but I'm going to work on that. I'll have one soon. Please consider subscribing, guys. Those watching without subscribing, just take a moment there, click the subscription box. Also, you can like the video so that it can continue being subjected to the other people, so that then we can have people watching the video. With making the egg, I don't like using the inner part of the tomato. I like removing it. Yeah, that's my own way. Yes guys, again I'm still insisting, please subscribe the channel. Just let me be on 1000 soon. That's my looking forward to getting into 1000 subscription.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Yeah, the tea has boiled and I have come up with the tea leaves and added there. I always usually put the milk and the water together. I wait it to first boil. Then after boiling, I'll add up the tea leaves as I've done there, mixing it very well with the sieve. Then I'll give it some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, it boil well, so that the tea can be well mixed up with the 3 ingredients. With that, the tea, it's always sweet. You can try it, or maybe you can tell me your own way, but that's my way that I usually make the tea. I also added the sugar in there.
myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you.
Guys, I'm now done with the tea. As you can see right there, I have now begun preparing their dishes. They usually carry some bread, cake, or anything snack there, plus the fruits. That's what I'm preparing there. At their school, they do carry a snack to take with the porridge or the tea that they are going to be given at 10 a.m. Now that's what I'm preparing for them. Right now they are taking the breakfast. As I prepare, immediately we are done, they have taken the tea, we'll be ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always leaving the comments down there. I appreciate it very much. You have been good. Thank you for the subscribers. For those who have not yet subscribed, as you said earlier, many of them have not yet subscribed. You have a big percentage that are watching and have not yet subscribed. Please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate it very much. Let me be at the 500 subscription. Then later on we should be working for the 1000 subscribers. It has not been easy. It has been a journey. But all in all, we still move and we are going to be there. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. For those who have come up to this far, thank you so much. With the 2 bottles there, I'll packed with water. They are supposed to be 3, but one of them broke his. Even it has not stayed long, it's just 1 month, but already he has tampered with his. Those are the bread that I'm adding there. Yeah, to take with the tea or the porridge. We are not usually sure what they will be taking, so they just consume with what they will be given. Yeah, thank you so much. Again, I say thank you so much for watching my video, for always supporting me up to this far. Thank you so much. Bye bye.